Hi friends, welcome to a new video. In this video we will make some amazing craft works using paper and easily available materials. Let us start with the mouse, and here I have taken paper. The base is a black colored paper, and I have also taken some circles of pink color and some white or yellow colored papers also. Here I have taken a rectangular paper and made some strips at the bottom side. Then I rolled it. Now it looks like what? An octopus indeed. And we can mark the eyes and the nose of the octopus. Here I'm going to make the penguin, and we started from a circle, and on one side it is black and on the other side it is white. That's penguin. Here I have taken a circular paper, and on that paper I'm going to draw the face of a rabbit. And I take a paper glass and take some straws also, and we put 3 holes on the paper glass, and we have this good rabbit. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.